हांगासर आमचे विकेट बाब दोन्ही टिमाचे संदेश बरे मागतात. विकेट बाब तशेंच उपाध्यक्ष तशेंच युवजन संचालक सर्वांनी जोरान थाळ्यांच्या आवाजान
Sirla, ele sai do foto a casa dele.
So it's the final match here. Seahawks and Global Warriors. We are ready. Batsman ready. Ball ready. It's the final match. Juliet to start. Nina going for big shot and she misses completely and it's wide. First extra in the final match from Juliet. The big wicket is with Nina. First time again. It's a pitching ball. It's a big hit. Hitting hard and it's a four. It's a big shot and a huge powerful shot from Nina. It's a wonderful shot. It's a 5 runs already in the first ball.
It's a high voltage match between both the teams. Pitching one, it's a no ball call. It's a free hit for Nina. The two dangerous players for the Global Warriors, Reshma as well as Nina. Juliet to ball once again to Nina. Pitching one, Nina hitting the ball. Single and taken comfortably. They didn't utilize the free ball. Once again, Juliet to Reshma. Pitching one. Another extra. It's a wide. Losing her length and bowling the extra for the team. Once again, Juliet to ball to Reshma. Good length ball. Once again, it's an extra wide called from the umpire. Continuously bowling the extra for the team. 4 more to go. The scoreboard moves to 9 on the board. The scoreboard moves to 9 on the board. Once again, Juliet to bowl the third ball to Reshma, changing her guard. Once again, good length ball. Another extra, consecutively bowling the extras for the team and conceding runs. 2 balls, she has already given 10 runs. Once again, pitching one, another extra. This is a 5-over match. Each bowler can bowl only 1 over. Once again, changing her guard. Bowling the third ball. Good length ball, misses the ball. It's a dot ball once again. Good bowling from there. Last 3 more to go. Last 3 more to go. Once again, Juliet to bowl the fourth ball to Reshma, sweeping the ball. Misses the ball. Umpire decision. It's out. It's out. Wicket number first for Global Warriors. It was clean bowled. Ball touched the wicket, so it's out. Rima, pitching one, hitting to the leg side region, only single run taken, good fielding there from, good collection from Prima. Only single run taken, last 1 more to go. Once again, Juliet to Nina, pitching one, Nina good. She did not connect the ball, so it's an extra. Once again, bowling the extras for the team. The score moves to 13 on the board. 1 ball left for the completion of first over. Once again, it's an extra. Another wide, dealing in wide, extras. 14 on the board. Last one to go. Once again, pitching one. Nina hitting the ball, misses the ball. It's a dot ball. After completion of first over, the score moves to 14. After the completion of first over, the score moves to 14 on the board. They lose the over. Bowling the first ball, hitting to the leg side region, misses the ball, single run taken, fumble in the field, only single run taken. Good bowling there from Jasmine. The score moves to 15 on the board. Once again, Jasmine to bowl the second ball to Nina. It was a good length ball. Once again, it is an extra. Sent wide. The Seahawks bowlers bowling extra for the team and conceding more runs in the form of extras. Once again, Jaslyn to Nina, another extra. Extra given from the umpire, Roshan Martin. This is the final match, high voltage match between both teams. Once again, giving more runs for the team. Jaslyn to Nina. Nina striking the ball, ball in the air, it's and sixer. Good batting there from Nina, hitting the boundaries. Sixers for the team. Four more to go.
Sean win there.
Four more to go. Four more to go. Good batting average from Nina. Once again striking the ball, ball in the air, chance again. Yes, second from Lavidasha. Good collection there from Lavidasha. Good wicket for Jaslyn. They lose their another wicket in the form of Nina. They lose their second wicket in the form of Nina. She was striking well for the team Global Warriors. A new batsman, Asha. Three more to go. Jaslyn picking up a crucial wicket for the team Seahawks in the form of Nina. Once again, Jaslyn to bowl the fourth ball. Good length ball, hitting to the chance of a run out. Yes, it's a run out. They lose another wicket in the form of Asha. Confusion between the players and misunderstanding between the players, and it results to a run out. They lose their third wicket. 23 on the ball. 23 on the ball. Last two to go. Jaslyn to bowl the fifth ball. Pitching one. Rima on strike. Getting to the leg outside region. Good batting there from Rima. Good connection between the bat and the ball. Last one more to go. Good bowling there from Jaslyn, making a comeback for the team. Pitching one, good connect the ball, misses the ball. It's a dot ball once again. After completion of second over, the score moves to 24 on the board. After the completion of second over, the score moves to 24. They scored the run as per the run rate of 12. Once again, to Rima hitting to the long one region. Misfield there, only single run taken. Good bowling there as well as good batting from Rima. Once again, Lavidasha to put the second ball too. Sweeping the ball. Couldn't connect the ball. It's a dot ball. Sangeeta, the new batsman for the Global Warriors. Once again, Lavidasha pitching one, sweeping the ball, misses the ball. Couldn't connect the ball, bat. Misses the ball, it's a dot ball. Another ball. Once again, Lavidasha to bowl the fourth ball too. Sangeeta misses the ball, continuously missing the ball. It's a dot ball once again. Good bowling there from Lavitasha. They are making a comeback for the team Seahawks. Once again to bowl the fifth ball. Good length ball. Trying to hit. Once again it's a dot ball. Last one more to go. Continuously missing the ball. Sangeeta missing the ball continuously. Last one more to go. Once again pitching one. Hitting to the left side region. Chance of a catch. Missing the ball. It's a boundary. After the continuously missing the ball, she has hit a boundary for the team. After completion of third over, the score moves to 29 on the ball. After completion of third over, the score moves to 29 on the ball. Good comeback from Sangeeta for the team Global Warriors. There was a chance of catch, but fielder couldn't catch the ball. Once again, joining to bowl the fourth over for the team Seahawks. Good one, good one. It's a dot ball once again. Good length ball. So it was a rolling one. Batsman couldn't connect the ball. She misses the ball. Once again, joining to the second ball to Rima. Once again, pitching one. Chance of a catch. Ball in the air. Only single run taken to the offside region, long on region, long off region. This is the final match. They require huge total because we have already seen the good batting lineup from Seahawks. Sweeping the ball to the left side region. Good fielding there from Prima. Only single run taken. Misfield. 3 more to go. Good bowling there from Joining. Once again, good line ball. Hitting to the left side region. Single run taken. Good collection there from Jesslyn. Once again, last 2 more to go. Good bowling strategy from the captain as well as from the bowler for the team Seahawks. Once again, pitching one sweeping to the leg side region. Chan fielding through the legs. Good fielding there. Only single run conceded. The last 1 more to go. Last 1 more to go. Good batting there from Rima. Rima sweeping the ball to the leg side region only. Last 1 more to go. Once again, good length ball, striking to the long on region. Misses the ball. Once again, good fielding there. Only single run taken. After completion of fourth over, the score was to 34 on the ball. After joining Prima to bowl the last over. Good correction there. Only single run taken. Joining the new batsman. Joining the new batsman for the team Global Warriors. Prima to bowl the second ball. Once again, good action there. Pitching one. Joining, hitting to the long off region. Fumbling the field. Good fielding there. Double run taken comfortably. Good running between the wickets from the Global Warriors. The score moves to 37 on the board. Once again, pitching one. It is an extra for the team. Wide call from the umpire. Prima, the captain of the Seahawks, bowling once again to Jesslyn. It's a bold wicket number 4 for Global Warriors. They lose there. Another wicket in the form of Joining. There was good bowling from Prima. Prima once again to bowl to Terry, the new batsman. Last 3 more to go. Once again, Prima pitching one, misses the ball. There was a misfield. There was no running between the wickets. There was good bowling there from Prima. Last 2 more to go. Terry misses the ball. Once again, Prima. Full toss one. It's a wicket. She picks 2 wickets in this over. They lose the another wicket in the form of Terry. Wicket. Last wicket. Last ball to go. Last ball to go. The new batsman, please come to the crease. Diksha, the new batsman for the team. 38 on the ball. 38 on the ball. Last one to go for the completion of this innings. It's a no ball. It is another extra ball. It's a free hit for the Global Warriors. Once again, last one to go. To ball to Diksha. Misses the ball. It's a dot ball. After completion of 5 overs, the score moves to 39. The victory target is 40 for the Seahawks. There was good bowling there from the captain and picking 2 wickets for the team. As well as there was good batting from Global Warriors, the 2 openers for the team, Nina as well as Reshma. After their wickets, the score was little.
Pitching ball. Good shot in the air. That's catch. Fantastic catch from Lavina. Good catch and good bowling. They lose a big wicket. Jordan has to walk back.
I request all the members to encourage for both the teams because we have a high voltage match here. This is the final match of this MPL season 1 women cricket tournament.
Prima on strike, the captain of Seahawks. Second time, Nina. It's a rolling ball. It's a good hit, straight down the ground. It's a good fielding. Oh, she misses the ball. That could have been a run out there. Third time, Nina. Pitching ball in the air. No field over there. Just single run.
If you hit hat-trick sixes, there is a sponsor of 2,000 rupees and hat-trick wickets 500 as well as hat-trick fours 500 rupees.
Fourth time, Nina to Prima.
We can't see any hat-trick sixes or boundaries or wickets.
The straight drive. Good fielding. It's a good fielding in the long on. Fifth time, Nina to Labitasha. It's a rolling ball. It's a wide. It's a wide. First extra of this innings. Fifth time to Labitasha. Again, it's a rolling ball, it's a sweep there. Many fielders over there, but good fielding from Asha. It's a single run. The last time, Nina to Prima there, the captain of Seahawks, looking for a big shot. It's a pitch ball, it's a straight drive, a fantastic shot. Good shot from captain. Straight drive for 4 runs. At the completion of first over, score moves to 9 runs. Good batting from captain. The new bowler. 31 required from 24. Pitching ball. And it's not a bit side. It's a clean ball. It's a clean ball. Lavita Asha has to walk back. New batsman, Jesslyn. Second time, Jayashree. It's a roll ball, but she did not connect the ball.
Once again, Jayashree to ball the ball to Jesslyn. She misses the ball, she couldn't connect the ball. Once again, Jayashree pitching 1. Misses the ball. Once again, it's a dot ball there. From Jayashree, good bowling there from Jayashree for the team Global Warriors. 3 more to go. Once again, it's an extra wide call from umpire. She was bowling very well. Only an extra considered. Once again, another extra. Losing her length. 4th time to Jesslyn, pitching 1. Couldn't connect the ball. Misses the ball. Single run taken. Chance of getting out. Good running between the wickets. Single run taken. Last 2 more to go. Once again, good bowling there. Single run taken. The score moves to 12 on the board. Still 12 on the board after completion of first over. Good ball, batting there, only single taken, good fielding, chance of a run out. Misses the ball, chance of another run. Good call back from Captain Prima. Last one more to go to complete the second over. Jayashree to pull the last ball, sweeping the ball in the air, chance of a catch. Good connection there from Joy. Good hands. They lose their second wicket in the form of Jesslyn. The new batsman, Delma, the dangerous batsman for the Seahawks.
Third over, Reshma to ball to Delma. First time. It's a good ball, but swept the ball to the left side and just in the fielder. It's only for single. Prima is still there on strike. The dangerous batsman. Pitching ball. Good connection and one catch. One more catch. Good catch, and this is the turning point. It's the turning point of the match. Big wicket. It's a big wicket.
Delma bat creaser though. 3 points in the level.
Third time Reshma. Again it's a wicket. It's a wicket. It's a hat-trick wicket. It's a hat-trick wicket, sorry.
If she picks another hat-trick wicket, she will get the hat-trick wicket. She will get a cash prize of ₹500.
One more wicket. Reshma has to take one more wicket. You can take 500 rupees.
Sponsor from Sunil.
She misses that.
It was good bowling from Reshma, picking up 2 wickets. One was a crucial wicket in the form of Reshma, missing the ball. It's a dot ball, running for the wicket. Chance of run out, misses the ball. Only single run taken. Last one to go. Last one more to go. It was good fielding as well as good fielding from the team Global Warrior. Once again, pitching one, misses the ball. It's a dot ball after completion of third over. The score was 2-16. Still 4 runs for the victory. Last 2 overs remaining. There is an offer for Delma. If she hits a sixer, she will get a prize of ₹500 from Anish. The new bowler Asha. Once again, it's a dot ball. It's a chance of a run out. Yes, it's a run out. Good direction from the fielder Nina. Another wicket. They lose another wicket for Team Seahawks. Wicket. Out. She was only the batsman for the team. Another extra for the team from Asha. Loses her length. Once again, second time. Ball in the air, chance of a catch, misses the ball. Good action there from Reshma. Misses the ball, chance of another run. Once again, running between the wickets. Chance of another wicket. Misses the ball, yes, the wicket. Lose another wicket in the form of Renita. Good strategy as well as good fielding there from Nina. Good bowling there. They lose their 7th wicket. Last 4 to go. Mother and daughter between the crease. Mother on strike. Juliet. Asha to ball to Juliet. Pitching one. This is the ball. It's a wicket. Wicket. Another wicket for Asha. Good bowling there from Asha. They lose another wicket. 8th wicket. Good bowling there from Asha, picking wickets continuously for the team. 3 more to go. To Wilma. Heading to the next position, chance of another run out. This is the ball, good collection there from the fielder as well as the keeper. Once again, Asha to ball that. 5th ball. 5th time to Denmark. Can Denmark hit a sixer? She has a cash prize of ₹500. This is the ball. Once again, it's a dot ball. Last one to go. Asha to ball the last ball to Denmark. Once again, good length ball. Hitting to the next side region for a single run taken. Good fielding there. After completion of 4 overs, the score moves to 20. 6 balls, 20 required. It's a huge equation. 6 to go, 20 to get. This is the final match. It's a crucial match. And we see who will be the winner. It's 18 number jersey for Denmark. Virat Kohli number for Denmark. Virat Kohli's number for Denmark. It's a wide extra from Jocelyn. Can Denmark hit a sixer? They require huge boundaries for the team. Once again, it's a dot ball. Denmark couldn't connect the ball. She is known as a dangerous batsman for the team, but she couldn't connect the ball. Once again, missing the ball. It's a white ball. Extras for the team. 5 to go, 18 to get. Hitting to the chance of catch. It's a catch. Good catch there from Asha. They lose there in the wicket. Wicket number 9. Last wicket remaining for the team. 18 to get. 4 to go, 18 to get. Once again to the left arm. Once again it's a no ball. Chance, it's a free. It's a free delivery. Now they have a chance to hit a boundary. Once again it's an extra wide call from the umpire. It's a wide. The new batsman for the team. Left-hand batsman. Another extra. Wide ball, another wide. 4 to go, 15 to get. Once again, pitching one. Another decision is pending. It's a wide call from the umpire. 4 to go, 14 to get. 4 to go, 42. Hitting to the offside region. Chance of a run out. Single run taken. 3 to go, 13 to get. 3 to go, 13 to get. Only 6 required here. Heading to the exit region. Chance of a boundary. Good fielding there. Only single run taken. No run taken. There was chance of running, but they couldn't take the run. Once again, sweeping the ball to the. It's a no ball once again. Single run taken. Once again, it's a no ball. It's a free. 2 to go, 10 to get. 2 to go, 11 to get. It's a free ball. 2 to go, 11 to get. 2 boundaries required now. 2 huge boundaries required. Misses the ball. It's a dot ball. They have already reached to the victory. Global Warriors reached to the victory. Missing the ball. This match is won by Global Warriors. The final of the MPL Season 1. Global Warriors. Congrats for the team. And the runners are Seahawks. Congrats for the team. First time in history we have conducted this cricket league match for the women in this Manjeshwar cricket ground. स्कोर जावन आसा 58. बेस्ट बॉलर गेस आसा गे बेस्ट बॉलर वेता प्रीमा सीऑक्स तिने 4 विकेट्स काढल्या हातून. Women of the series. Guess us again. Women of the series. Yes, it's correct. Nina from Global Warriors. 78 run तिने वैयक्तिक स्कोर दिला. आता हांगासर आम्ही रनर्स अप ट्रॉफी दितले हांव.
ॲक्च्युली बरे परफॉर्मन्स असले लास्ट मागीर काले जाले ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ बट प्रॅक्टिसाक येवन सकदांनी सहकार दिला आनी पळया नेक्स्ट इयर शेंत
तुमच्या टिमान दोगां जाणांक मॅन ऑफ दी बेस्ट बॉलर बेस्ट बॅट्समॅन मेळ्ळ्यात आनी ही दोन ट्रॉफी तुमच्या टिमाक मेळ्ळा हिंसेक भोव अपूर्वाची गजाल. परत तुमकां सगळ्यां तर्फेन आमी अभिनंदन पाठयता.
विनर्स जावन
दिसा तुम्ही चॅम्पियन्स जावन आयल्यात खंडीत सगळ्यांकी संतोष तुमकां सुद्दां आमी कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स म्हणटा. कितें ह्या संतोषाच्या वेळार तुजी भगना कॅप्टन
हांवें चिंतूंक ना आमी विनर्स जातात म्हणून सांगल्यार हांव प्रॅक्टिसाक येवना 1 वीक जावन. हांव काल सावन प्रॅक्टिसाक आयलें मात्र मागीर आनी प्रॅक्टीस केलें म्हाकाय गोतलें आनी कशें प्रॅक्टीस केलें हातून हांव चिंतूंक ना. थँक्यू सो मच आमची टीम म्हाका तितलें सांगता.
आसा तुमी प्रॅक्टीस येवना तुमच्या टिमान खंडीत मॅजीक केला. वॉडर पयलें सेम टिमा सांगातात तुमकां मॅच आसली आनी तुमी सलवल्यात. परत फायनल्स तांचे सांगाता म्हणटना खालें बगलें.
हांवें चिंतलें आमकां रनर्स येता मेळ्ळ्या हातून हांवें चिंतूं ना विनर्स मेळटा जाल्यार ओडूच्या मॅचार आमी सलवलेली.
खंडीत तुमचें प्रयत्न फायनल्सान बारी बरें जालां. सगळें टीम स्पिरीट तुमी खेळ्ळ्यात आनी तुमकां भोव अपूर्व असो खेळ हांगासर आमी तुमी प्रदर्शन केलें. सगळ्यांक परत तुमकां अभिनंदन पाठयता. हय मुखार येवची आनी मेडल्स आनी ट्रॉफी घेवची.
विनर्स जावन आसात ग्लोबल वॉरियर्स. कॅप्टन तशेंच सर सांगतानी मेडल घेवचे तशेंच ट्रॉफी एज वेल एज कॅश प्राइज आसा. सर वाणी ताल्यांच्या आवाजान जोरान ताल्यांचे आवाज दिवचे तांकां.
Once again, congratulations.